At my Kahani, today we learnt how to take a wide shot using the panning technique, and it helps give a more cinematic feel to the video and kind of make the video flow like a proper movie does. Storyboarding helped us make a good plan, so it was all like set out and we kind of could go together as a group and use our plan for a proper sort of script, you could say, and it was really helpful because it helped us have a sort of set idea of what we're going to do. I really enjoyed making our film. It was about a boy who was kind of going through something in his brain mentally, and he felt like he didn't have anyone to help him. He felt kind of helpless, and he was running away from someone, which was kind of a metaphor for him running away from himself because he didn't want to accept the fact that he had those kind of thoughts. I really enjoyed today working as a group. It was really fun, and I feel like I kind of know a lot more about video making, especially on low-tech appliances like our phones. So it was really helpful.
Today we learned that the optimum composition for filmmaking is using the rule of thirds. It's when the screen is split into 9 different boxes, and it's best when the object that you're filming or person is on one of the lines in the grid or on one of the points. Well, we worked together to come up with a film, and we learned how to edit using an app that you can download on your phone. You can learn lots of new skills that you can apply to your own life and to other projects that you hope to do in the future. I enjoyed it. It was great to meet new people.
Today we learned about the different variety of shots, such as wide shot, medium shot and close-ups. It's quite good, I enjoyed it.
Also learned about the rule of thirds, where you get everything in the right points in the camera.
It was a good plan. It's sort of like when you write an essay, you're gonna have a plan almost, before. So it was good for English, and I think it improved some of our English skills as well, and just our basic everyday skills. We enjoyed it, I think.
It was pretty fun.
So we had a sort of dark humour comedy sketch.
To get a main point through as well.
Yeah, so there was a message behind it, but at the same time, we sort of had a joke with it. It was about terrorism, and sort of the joke behind when you go to the airport, if you've got a different colour of skin, you're going to get stopped a bit more. Yeah. So we enjoyed it. It was good fun. It is a helpful skill because it helps with, like I said, if you're doing English or if you're doing media or different
it's the thinking process
subjects
mostly.
Across the board. Yeah, you're right.
You can use your editing to help your film quite a bit. Instead of doing one single shot, you can just do little shots and add them together, crop it, kind of mess around with it and make something really good. So I think editing is a big thing. I think storyboarding lets you be open-minded and creative, so we could come up with any type of story, and having the story written out in stages helped a lot. Having the exposition, climax, and then the ending, the denouement, that was really useful. 100%. For one, it does help a lot with your creativity, that's true. Well, you're allowed to express, our cultural heritage side of aspects. It gives us a nice safe space to open up and display our ideas. It's really good, 100%.